Hi, how are you everybody? Okay, today topic about academic vocabulary, right? And topic will be climate change. Okay, before that I'm asking, is anybody know what is climate change? Marian, can you tell me? Yes? Give example, what consequence of climate change? Hurricane, right? What else? Tsunami? Amir? Ice melting. Perfect. You know that learning a vocabulary is so tough, but technology made our life so easy. Today I will show you how to use technology, one tools that will help you to learn better way vocabulary. You can be master of that. And today topic climate change. Before that, I'm showing you now few of the cloud words of climate change. You have to predict the meaning and try to remember as much as you can. After that, I'll show you a video about climate change. You can try how much you can understand, how much you can remember. After the video, what you have to do, we'll give a link for practicing using your own device. I already given direction you to bring your own device. How many did you bring your device? Yes, all of them. Perfect. And I will show you how to install the Quizlet. Before that, I'm showing you a bunches of word over here. What is this? Can you see? Yes, a lot of word. Like you can see the flooding, fossil, increase, hurricanes. You can see warming, fuel, temperature, right? Try to remember all of this word and meaning predicted. And the tools we will use today, I'm showing you. Can you see this one? Yes, this is a Quizlet.com. Now I will show you a video about climate change. Try to understand as much as possible. The video will show you exactly some word, which one you saw on the word cloud, and that will help you. I'm going to play the video. Try to listen and watch what the video say about the climate change. And after that, I will show another video. The video will tell you how to install Quizlet. What you have to do after installing Quizlet, you have to take your own device and keep practice the link I will give you about the climate change word, and you will be master. Finally, what you have to do, you have to do a homework, a video presentation. Pick 5 of the words from climate change, make sentences, make some sense about the climate change, record it, video, and send to our teacher's blog. I will check it, the best presenter of video, I will grade at them and also give award. Let's see the climate change video, okay? One second. Okay. Climate change video, you can
Above
see
4 degrees, we're looking at a vastly different planet. Ice has vanished from both poles, rainforests have turned to desert, and rising seas reach deep into continents. Populations move to the newly thawed regions in Canada and Siberia, but even here, summers may be too hot to grow crops anywhere but the coasts. There's nothing to buy, and producers have nothing to sell. Migrants force their way into the few habitable places left on Earth. Racial conflicts and civil wars are the inevitable outcome. When temperatures were last at this level 55 million years ago, alligators lived in the Arctic, Spain was a desert, and mangroves grew in England. All of this followed a sudden burst in global warming. It may have been caused by methane hydrate, which forms under the sea and can escape with explosive force when oceans warm up. Methane is a greenhouse gas 20 times more potent than CO2. A huge eruption would make the chances of us avoiding a 5-degree rise extremely remote. To see what the world could look like at 6 degrees, we have to go back 251 million years. 95% of living species were wiped out. At sea, everything suffocated, and the only winners on land were fungi and the pig-like Lystrosaurus. Sea levels rose 20 metres, and the warmer water released pent-up methane from the seabed, with the gas shooting hundreds of metres into the atmosphere. Perhaps worse than its effect on global warming, methane is flammable. The smallest spark or lightning storm will ignite it, sending fireballs tearing across the sky. Scientists say such explosions, much greater than a nuclear bomb, could destroy life on Earth almost entirely. Hydrogen sulfide thrives in the stagnant oceans. It's devastating for marine life, and in the atmosphere it poisons trees, animals, and humans. Finally, along with massive amounts of sulfur dioxide produced in such a world, it cripples the ozone layer, exposing what life remains to fatal levels of UV radiation. The forests are burning, the rivers are drying up, continents carved up by toxic oceans, and corpses pile up in cities across the planet. The 6-degree world is a bleak one.
Okay, so the video, they're talking about erosion, they're talking about some methane, all word you can learn by installing Quizlet. Now I will show you another video. They will show how to install the Quizlet. Let's see. Okay.
Hi everyone, welcome to 2 Minute Teacher Tech. My name is Adam Howard, and today I'm going to tell you about an application called Quizlet. Quizlet began as a flashcard application, but has evolved into so much more. It is one of the top education applications being used, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to get started using this app in your classroom. So let's go. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is go to Quizlet.com, and from that page we are going to sign up for a new account. It gives you 3 options. You can either use Google, Facebook, or an email address to start your account, and then it's going to take you to a home page. This home page is going to prompt you to create a new class. Once you tap on the Create a New Class button, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to give your class a name, a description, type your school in there at the bottom, and then it's going to allow you to either email an invitation to your students, or you can copy-paste a link onto your LMS or your class website. Once the students click on that link, it's going to prompt them to add this class to their account. Alright, now that we've created our class, we're going to add a study set to that class. We're going to go up and hit the Add Set button, and we're going to hit Create New. This is going to take you to your main content creation page. This is where you...
Okay. I'm gonna give you a link for you. You can keep practicing. The link will pop up on your Quizlet account. Let's start installing. I'm all around you. I'm helping you if somebody have any problem. After installing, let's work with your own device. Okay, after installing, when you practice the all climate changes vocabularies, then end of the work is you have to do your presentation using the climate change vocabulary, which one you became a master of that by using Quizlet, and post this on my blog. I will see, and let's start installing and practicing with your Quizlet. You have limit of time, only 20 minutes. After that you can share with your pair and correct yourself. And finally, tomorrow homework is video presentation, and I'm giving also link. You have to send teacher's blog. Thank you, and I'm helping all of you. Let's see.